Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm going to show you how to use your stand-up paddleboard. We're going to talk about the pump, the fins, the paddle, and how to size your life jacket. In your SUP, you'll have the SUP itself, the paddle in two parts, the pump, and all of those will be on inside the big pocket of the bag. And then on the outside pocket, the small pocket, you'll have the hose. And then depending on which paddleboard, 3 fins or 5 fins. And then you also want to grab a life jacket with the paddleboard. So once you have the hose connected, you'll also screw it onto the board, onto the valve. So when this red part is down, the valve is open in both directions. Push in and turn to the right, and that'll bring it up, and that way it's a one-way valve so you can inflate. And you'll start pumping, and the first bit takes a while, but once it gets to be decently full, you want to make sure it's nice and firm. And so you'll have to check every so often. So you can check it by hitting it. You want it to make a little ping sound. And then also by standing on it to see if it is flexing or moving still, because you want it to be pretty rigid. The paddleboard should also say the maximum inflation pressure, but if you go until it's really firm, then that should be good enough. When you're going to use it, make sure this is closed all the way so stuff doesn't get in it. So then to deflate the paddleboard, when you're done, push the red guy back in and turn it to the left, and that'll open the valve all the way so you can get all the air out. So once your SUP is inflated, you'll slide the fin in, and then this little clip goes through this slot, and that is what holds it in place. You want to make sure that you never put the fin on the ground when it's inflated. If the fin is in, you want to make sure it's upside down so that it doesn't damage or bend the fin. With our paddles, we want to try to avoid putting the blade on the ground because that can wear it out. So you're going to put this through that end, push the button, and then it'll click into place in one of the holes, and then you can adjust the length for the right size for you. So you're going to put your thumb under the T-grip and then wrap your hand over it, and that'll give you a good grip on it, and then your hand on the shaft. Then you're going to scoop the water with your paddle like a spoon. Next, we're going to talk about vests. So if you've got an outdoor rec vest, the red is going to be small, medium, the blue is large, extra large, and the yellow is extra, extra large. So you're going to put it on. If you need to, you can loosen the sides here, and then you'll zip it up. And then there's a buckle down below that you want to get as well. You can also adjust the shoulder length on the life jackets. So it should be snug enough that you can't pull it up, but not too tight that you can't breathe or function with it. If you have any issues with any equipment or you're missing anything, please let the UREC know. Thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, drop them below or click here for more outdoor videos from us.